So I have a knife and a JBL Charge 6, and let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what comes in the box. So this is what the box looks like to start with. So we have some writings here. We have 28 hours Bluetooth version 5.4, which you might have heard of before. We have this orange side here. Then you can see some writing on the box. It says use a JBL portable app. You can use this as a power bank. It's IP68 waterproof. And then you have up to 24 hours of playtime plus 4 hours with playtime boost. Okay, so let's get in the box and see what's inside. At the top is probably paperwork. Wow, this is a big box. Wonder what's inside. Let's go in there. There's what's this? Oh, an extra strap or carrying strap or handle, whatever you want to call it. I'm not sure if it's extra or it's just the one that we have, so we'll just find out in a few. Put that to the side. And then we have some paperwork, and that's about it. Let's see. Yep, that's all. Nobody reads this anyway, so just put them back. Then the speaker. Yeah. There you go, finally. Yep, so nothing else in the box. Let's have a look at what the speaker looks like. This is just your raw unboxing experience. So it's covered in this cloth, and there's your JBL Charge 6, almost said flip. So you can see the design, the JBL logo, the battery indicator LED. Then this time we have stands instead of those ones that go like this. So we have those two stands for the speaker to be stable. And then you have this areas here where you hook up this so that you can be able to carry it like this. I'll show you how to do that in a few. And then you have Charge 6. Then you have your Type-C port. And this is in and out. It says in and out, which means you can use it to charge your phone. So you can basically use this as a power bank. Then you have your 4 stands instead of the 3 that come with the JBL Charge 5. And that's about it for the unboxing experience. Let's try and put this thing on and see what it looks like or how it's done. So I'm assuming it should stay like this or like this, okay, with the JBL logo facing up. So it goes in like that, comes out this other side, and then you just put it there like a button. I should hope that's how you do it, like that. Yep, seems sturdy enough. Let's try the other side. There you go. So that's how you set it up and to be able to carry the speaker around, because it's a big heavy speaker, so this is actually useful. So that is the unboxing experience. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. And of course, I'll be making subsequent videos, an entire playlist on how to navigate and use this thing. So make sure you stay subscribed not to miss any of those. Thanks for watching and good luck.